Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you how you can create your backlink in this website like the Senscritique.com. So this is a website, a name and the URL, and I just created my account. So I can show you, you can see this is my profile backlink, and if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you can see this is 100% do follow backlink. Okay, so in this video, I can show you how you can create your backlink in this website. So before we can do some research, so according to Acharya, this website domain rating is 74, and according to Moj, this website domain authority is 84, and the spam score is 3%. So now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the register button. There you can put your email address. Then you guys will choose your password. I guess I already created my account in this website. So here you can add your username, like your brand username. Then you can select the gender if possible. Then after you can acknowledge the terms and condition. Then after you can click on the to validate. So let's add there my email address. Then after you can click on the validate. So you can see this email is already job my interview. Let me use this username. So there I already my created account. So once you guys will complete these things now, so this site will redirect you to the another phase like the your account login panel. Then after this site will send you the activation email. So I can show you, I just created my account. So you can see this is my another account, another Gmail account where I created my account, and you can see this is my Gmail. Around 10 minutes ago, I received this verification email. So you can click on this email to verify your profile. Once you verify your profile, so you can see that kind of interface. So after you can click on your username there, then navigate to the settings section, and here if you wanting, so you can customize your name and your username. Then after you can select your date of birth, like the whatever the birth are the years you want to show. Then after you can check this make my page public. Then after I added my website URL here, so there you can put your website URL, and there I added my a company a description. Okay, once you guys will complete these things, then after you can click on the save button. So your details is successfully saved. Now you can go back to your profile, click on your profile. If you wanting, so you can change your profile picture. So let me update my profile picture. Click on the change avatar. Then you can select your profile picture. So you can see profile picture is successfully updated. If you wanting, so you have also option to you can add your banner image. So you can see this is my profile name, DML training. This is my username, and this is my website URL. And if I can show you in incognito, so this is instant approved backlink or not, I can verify once. You can see this is my profile, and this is 100% approved backlink, instant approved backlink. And this is my link. If I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you can see this is 100% do follow backlink. Okay, so this is the process. So how you can create your backlink in this website. So let's explore if we have any another option like the I seen the lists. Let's see what is it. So let's navigate to the create option. So let's add the DML training. Either I can create a backlink for my another brand like the 4G Spares. You can put your brand name. Then after you can select the any of options like the book visible for the publicly to the validate. You can select the list type. So you can see our listicle is successfully created. If you're wanting, so you can make some note here. So build developer tools in a blink. I added this. Okay, I guess I don't know how. Okay, you can create your description here. Then after this link is opened, okay, so there is no more options, so we can do something there. So let's copy my website URL, put it there, click the link is been copied. Let's open in new tab. Let's see what it is. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. So forge space. Okay, so also you are able to create your social bookmarking backlink in this website. So you can see I added my description. Let's inspect this, and you can see that this link is also okay. So this link will be the no follow, you can see, but you are able to create your social bookmarking backlink as well in this website. So we created two type of backlink in this website. Like the first one is profile backlink, and the another one is we created a social bookmarking backlink. So overall, this is the process. So how you can create your backlinks in this website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys will share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details in the description section. From there, you guys can connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so please you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create frequently videos for you. So I hope, and definitely I expect, so you guys will help me something. Okay, so okay, yeah, bye bye and take care.